Hi guys, this new video tutorial on Laravel by Web's lesson, and in this part we will learn how can we make dynamic PDF file in Laravel by using dompdf. If we have used Laravel framework for developing any big enterprise level application, then in that application we want to generate dynamic PDF file from data fetch from database. So, in this Laravel video tutorial we see you how can we simple way to generate dynamic PDF file by using dompdf library with step-by-step process. Here we will see how can we download this dompdf plugin in Laravel working folder, and then after we will see how can we register this dompdf plugin in our Laravel web development environment for generate dynamic PDF file. Now let's start discussing this topic. So here we have testing database, and in this we have already make one customer table and we have already fill data into this table. We will fetch this data and make PDF file from this data. So, first we want to make database connection, so we have go to config folder and open database.php file, and under this file we have defined database credential. After this we have open.env file from here, and in this file also we have defined database credential like host name, username, password, and database name. Now we want to make one controller, so we have go to command prompt and write command like PHP artisan make : controller with name like dynamic PDF controller and press enter. This command will make dynamic PDF controller, which we can find under app/http/controller folder, so we have opened this file. Under this file first we have write use statement with database class. By using this statement we can use this class for database operation. Under this controller we have make one index method. This is the root method of this class, so when we have called this dynamic PDF class then it will execute this index method. Under this method we have write $customer data variable is equal to $this with get customer data class. Here we have called this method which will return customer data in array format. First we have make this get customer data method, and under this we have write $customer data variable is equal to database class with table method, and under this we have write customer table. This method will make select star from customer query. After this we have add one more limit method with 10 argument. This method will select first 10 records from customer table. Lastly we have add get method. This method will execute query and return result in array format, which we have store under this $customer data variable. Now we have write return statement with $customer data variable. This is the output of this function. Now we have go to index method, and here we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write dynamic PDF view file, which we have already make under resource/views folder. After this we have add with method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write customer data, and in second argument we have write $customer data variable. By using this method we can access this $customer data by using this customer data variable. Now we have go to resources folder and open views folder and open dynamic pdf.blade.php file, and in this file we have make one table with 5 table column like name, address, city, postal code and country. After this we have write at the rate for each loop with condition like $customer data as $customer, so here we can access $customer data variable value by this $customer variable. First we have close this for each loop, so here we have write at the rate end for each, this statement will close for each loop. Between this loop we have make open table row, and between this we have make 5 table column, and in this all column we have print table column like customer name, address, city, postal code and country table column data. For C output of this code, first we want to set root for this dynamic PDF controller index method. So we have go to roots folder and open web.php file. Under this file we have write root class with get method, and under this method in first argument we have write /dynamic PDF, and in second argument we have write dynamic PDF controller at the rate index method. So when in browser when we have write base URL /dynamic PDF, then it will called index method of dynamic PDF controller. For run Laravel application we have go to command prompt and write PHP artisan serve command. This command will return base URL of our Laravel application. Here first we have write base URL /dynamic PDF, and it will load customer data in table format on web page. Now we want to convert this customer data in PDF format. So we have go to command prompt and write composer require dompdf plugin name. This command will download laravel-dompdf plugin. It will take some time for download. After download this plugin, now we want to use in our Laravel environment, so we have to first register this plugin. For this we have go to config folder and open app.php file. Under this file we have to add service provider and alias details. For add service provider details, here we have to add into this providers array, and alias details we have to add into this aliases array. After this we want to use this plugin in our Laravel application, so we have go to dynamic PDF controller and make one function PDF. This will convert HTML data into PDF format by using dompdf. Under this function we have write $PDF variable is equal to /app class with make method, and under this we have write dompdf.wrapper. By using this code we'll use method of dompdf. Below this we have write $PDF variable with load HTML method of dompdf library, and under this we have write $this with convert customer data to HTML method. This function will return customer data in HTML format, and by using load HTML it will convert it into PDF. So first we have make convert customer data to HTML function, and under this we have write $customer data variable is equal to $this with get customer data function, which we have already make, and it will return customer data in array format. Below this we have write $output variable, and under this we have variable we have write HTML table with 5 table column like name, address, city, postal code and country. For fill data under this table we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $customer data as $customer variable. Under this loop we have write $output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like open and close table row, and between this we have make 5 table column for fill customer table column data. Lastly we have write return statement with $output variable, this output of this function. Now we have go to PDF function, and here we have write return statement with $PDF variable with stream method. By using this method we can show PDF file in browser. After this we have go to dynamic pdf.blade.php file, and here we have write anchor tag with href is equal to open and close 2 bracket, and between them we have write URL function. Under this function we have write dynamic pdf/pdf URL. This function will make URL like base URL /dynamic pdf/pdf. Now we want to set root for this PDF method. So in web.php file we have write root class with get method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write /dynamic pdf/pdf, and in second argument we have write dynamic pdf controller at the rate pdf. So when in browser we have write base URL /dynamic pdf/pdf, then it will called PDF method of dynamic PDF controller. So here our code is ready. So we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have already seen customer data in table format. So now we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, now we can see one button below with text like PDF. This button is for convert this HTML table customer data into PDF format, so we have click on this button. After click on this button, page process data. After process of web page, now we can see that customer data in PDF format. So it has convert customer data HTML format, and then after by using DOMP plugin it has converted into PDF format. So if we have work on any big web application by using Laravel format, then in that we want to make report which has been required in PDF format. So by using DOMP plugin in Laravel application we can converted or generated dynamic PDF. If you have any query regarding this Laravel video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our Laravel video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.